The product has been on now for 5 minutes, so you can see that it's starting to bubble up around the top. Not sure about the bottom part yet. I'm going to try to start scraping some off. This is the Cuticle Pusher. Very, very nice one. I must say I'm really impressed with it. It has a nice little bit of weight in it, and it has this triangular shaped edge, and it has this more heavy duty edge for like scraping, pushing down your cuticle. But I'm going to use this side now to start scraping this off. So I'm going to start from the top. It's up to you how you want to do it. Now look how easy this is coming off. No more tin foil, cotton balls, and acetone, which is a game changer for people who've already used gel polish. So you scrape gently because you don't want to damage your nail. That's the whole point of this product. The GelMoment polish and the remover is going to protect your nail. It won't damage at all. No more of those scraping machines, you know, the ones from when you go to the salon. Look, I mean, it can't get much easier than this. Yes, there's a little bit of mess involved. Oh, look, there's a little bit of mess involved, but that's why the silicone mat is so effective. Makes for very easy cleanup. Now, this is the new release of the FlakeOff. I had the other one. They're both quite good. But this newer one they have out now even has less chemicals, so it's even better than the one before. And I'm actually starting to see that it even works more effectively. Okay, so then you brush off the remainder, what's there. So sometimes, and I had 3 coats actually. So that's pretty good removal for 3 coats. And what I'm going to do now, of course, is I'm going to do the full nail prep now before another manicure. But that was a very good demonstration of how easy the FlakeOff is to remove. Okay, stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.